Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today the task at hand is to do a quick makeover on this bathroom. So just having a quick look at the bathroom, it's a pretty good bathroom, but if we have a look at the bathroom vanity unit, it really is all bulging with steam and it's really pretty tatty. So the job at hand today is to get this bathroom vanity out and to get this new bathroom vanity in. The first thing we need to do before getting started is to isolate the water to the property. And we just check that we have correctly isolated the water. And as you can see, we have. So the next thing we need to do is disconnect the waste water connection and the inlet water connections. So I'll start with the waste. So with the waste out of the way, we move on to the inlet pipes. So the next thing to do is to remove any physical mounting bolts. So with those mounting bolts removed, we now just need to cut the silicone that is joining the basin to the wall. So with the old vanity out of the way, I'm just now going to scrape the excess silicone off. So having scraped that, I've now got this spray foam silicone caulk remover to get the rest of it off. So it looks like the pump has died on this spray foam caulk remover, silicone remover. So let's just tip it onto a bit of cloth and just wipe it on there. Alright, so I've given that a quick wipe down now after using that caulk remover, and that's done a pretty good job of getting that excess caulking off. So let's get the new vanity assembled, let's get it in, and let's see how it actually looks. So this vanity has actually come with both kickers and legs for the bottom. You can see the legs here and the kickers here. I'm going to install it with the legs because I think in a bathroom environment you actually want to keep it up out of the moisture. So we're not going to use the kickers at all. Alright, so I've just tipped the main cabinet upside down as per the instructions, and now we're going to mount up the legs onto the cabinet. Alright, so the next thing to do is to cut out holes in the back of the cabinet to allow for the waste water and the inlet water to come through. I'm going to start by cutting this hole here, which I've measured out, which will accept the waste and the cold here. Alright, so I've got that hole out there, and that seems to fit pretty well with the waste and the water pipe on this side. So I've just quickly marked out the hole for this water pipe on this side. So let's get into it and let's get this hole cut out as well. So looking at that, we can see those two holes are just perfect. You can see that cabinet just fits in there nicely. Alright, so the final thing to mount the cabinet up is to actually drill holes in the cabinetry. You can see I've marked it out here and here for those wall fixings. There's a couple of dynabolts here from the old one. I'm going to reuse those. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cabinet as far into the corner as I can so I can apply a silicone bead along the back and along the edge.
Alright, so those holes for the mounting bolts were perfect, so now we're just going to fasten them up with the socket and we'll be good to go to finish the installation of the vanity top and all of the plumbing. So with that vanity mounted up, you can see we've just placed the top on, and that is just perfect. So what I'll do is I'll silicone along the back and along the side, and that'll hold it in perfectly. So now it's just a matter of connecting up the plumbing.
And these stainless inlet hoses have got rubber washers, so just moderately tighten them down with the spanner. Next we move on to installing the sink drain, and you'll notice that this one has a built-in plug and inlet for the overflow channel. Next I install a 32mm to 40mm basin waste adapter kit so that I can reuse the old waste trap with the new vanity basin.
Alright, so with the waste and all the inlet water hooked up, the final thing to do is to check for leaks. As you can see, I've filled the sink up here, and this sink's got a built-in overflow, so just check that the overflow is actually working. You can see that the overflow is now trickling down, and just check for leaks everywhere. You can see there's no leaks at all. If I just switch the tap off now, you can hear that the overflow is working. It's trickling into the drain as it should. There's no leaks, so that's absolutely awesome. So we'll just let the waste water go through the main plug and also check, no leaks. Fantastic. Now to mount up the hardware for a mixer tab, you really do need one of these mixer tab spanner sets. And that's because they need the hexagonal shaft to go onto these hexagonal nuts from underneath. And if you don't have it, I'll just show you from the top. Those hexagonal nuts thread up those mounting bolts for the mixing tab from underneath. I'm not going to be able to film it for you, but trust me, when you come to do this, to mount up one of these tabs, get yourselves one of these spanner sets, because it'll be near on impossible to tighten those nuts from underneath without one of these hexagonal tools. Alright folks, so I'm trying to do my best to show you from underneath why you need one of these hexagonal tools. Alright, so I've got that onto there now, and you can see that I'm threading that hexagonal nut up onto that bolt using this tool. And without that tool, up in behind the ceramic basin, like I said, it'd be near on impossible to get this job done. So now that we've got the vanity mounted up, we just need to turn the handles around. They ship them with the handles on the inside for protection, so we'll turn those handles around now. Okay, so there you go, we've got all the handles turned around there now, and doesn't that look great? So the final thing to do is to silicone the top in, and as I said before, I'm going to run a bead of silicone along the side and along the back. And we are done. The new vanity is installed. Nicely siliconed in, all plumbed in, and good to go. So there you go folks. There's how to install a new bathroom vanity in your bathroom, just to give it that bit of lift. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.